If you're using Google Chrome on your phone and notice that you're using a ton of memory, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix high memory uses in Google Chrome. So let's dive in and get your phone running smoothly again. First up, let's check if you have a ton of tabs open. Chrome tends to use more memory the more tabs you have running in the background. To see how many tabs you have open, first things you need to do is open Google Chrome. Tap on the tab little icon and you can see how much tab you have open. Simply tap on cross. That's how you simply close all the tabs. Now it's also good idea to close entire windows by tapping the windows icon and then closing unnecessary windows. Next, let's clear out Chrome's cache and browsing data. Can Over time, cached files can take up a lot of space and cause Chrome to use memory. To do this, tap on three vertical dots and select Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And then tap on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cache images and files, and you can also clear your browsing history if you want to free up even more space. Now hit clear data at the bottom and confirm. This will remove temporary files and that Chrome has saved, which can help reduce memory usage. Another trick to improve Chrome's performance is to make sure you don't have unnecessary apps running in the background. Android and iOS both tend to keep apps running in the background using up memory. Now what you need to do is double tap the home button or swipe up to see recently used apps. Simply swipe away unnecessary apps like this. Now sometimes outdated app can cause performance issue. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Chrome and make sure to update Google Chrome if there's an update available. And that's it. Those are the top tips to reduce Google Chrome's high memory usage on your mobile.